Good morning, guys. So today is Friday. It is just before 9 a.m. And I'm currently driving to the Clearwater Sailing Center for a briefing before we're going to be racing later today. So this morning I woke up, did some homework so that I wouldn't have to worry about that later today, and then made breakfast and lunch for myself, and I'm gonna have breakfast like kind of during our briefing. I just don't really like eating first thing in the morning, so yeah, that's what's happening. And yeah, I'm excited to race today. Let's do it.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do.
So I'm in fourth right now behind Marcus, Evan, and Kai. And Kai and I were battling it out yesterday.
We were duking it out. I was on the small Levitas wing. She was
I was on the big one. I did have a little bit of an advantage there because it was pretty light. But we were both on 21s.
We were both on 21. She was kicking my butt. We're making a comeback for today. We're getting out there. We're getting after it. It's going to be windy.
It's going to be on.
Who's favoring today? I mean, what
I don't
these
know.
conditions favor? You or me?
I feel like
we're both from the Bay Area, so like.
Yeah, we're both pretty good in high wind. So we'll see.
No break because we got the IQs behind us.
Yep.
And it's not going to
do the six.
It's going to be six back to back as much as we can, and then the IQs are, you know, the IQs.
Yeah. In the forecast, like words that would maybe be of interest to kites that are up in the air, things to have taken from that forecast. And then, you know, obviously the other one is like, or it doesn't play out like that. And then you forget about the forecast.
All right, we finished debrief and I'm gonna drive over to where we're launching, which is just across the street in that park over there. So, yeah, pretty chill. So today I'm gonna ride the Levitas R5. I've been riding the Levitas on the setting that has the most lift or the highest pitch. I've really liked that setup so far, but let me know how you guys are riding it if you are. You know, tell me your setting, comment below, or tell me something interesting, give me a fun fact, you know? For my bar, I'm gonna be using my SK Shapes Prime bar, which is the one that has like the bump in the middle on the bar, with my little click, and these are gonna be 12-meter Rob line lines. So for kite, I'm probably gonna do my 15 VMG, so I'm gonna take that out, but I also think I'm gonna bring my 13 to the beach because I think it's supposed to pick up. So yeah, that's the plan. And yes, I did wear 2 pairs of pants today because it was just really cold outside, okay? All right, the speed shades are on. Ready to go. Let's get out there.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look we'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us.
Okay, we made it in. Oh man, it was a rough day at the office, let me tell you. Long day, super hectic. I'll do a full breakdown once I pack up all my stuff, but yeah. At least we made it in one piece.
Yeah, so whoever caps
I want that for a
crash
plate.
in the wrong.
How much time do I have left?
That's simply how.
But what if
Okay, so I just finished my debrief. I'm so tired, and it was just such a long and hectic day, and I logged like over 3 hours and like 50 miles on my GPS today, so that just tells you it was a long day. And it was super tricky because just how the conditions were with wind shifts and how puffy it was and gusty, and it was so hard to know like which way to go on the course tactically, and a lot of it was just survival mode and just trying to stay foiling and keep your speed up, and it was just a really tough day. Not super stoked with how I did, but I learned a ton, and definitely a lot of lessons there. So I had like a couple DNFs just because I, yeah. But yeah, it was good. It was fun, and I'm super happy to be racing, especially given these times. So thanks to West Marine for sponsoring this event. We wouldn't be able to race without them. So this video sponsored by West Marine. Thank you guys. It's been super fun. So yeah, today was only the second day, so we have 2 more days, and a lot can happen in 2 days. So yeah, I'm still in 4th. I definitely have a little bit more of a gap between me and the podium, which isn't ideal, but we're learning, and like I said, stoked to be racing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and hopefully you learned something and it was kind of helpful for you to be able to follow me along for a day of racing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.